Hi everyone, this is Piyush Jain. Welcome to my channel PG Analytics. In this video, I will talk about the sheet swapping concept in Tableau. So I will open the Tableau desktop here. I have already created the sheet. Let's first understand the requirement. So here, if you see in the tile, this we have one container, vertical container, and in that vertical container, we have put the two sheets. One is bar chart and second is line chart. And based on this toggle, the data will populate it. So when I selected the bar chart is coming. So this sheet, if you see, this is the bar chart sheet. It is highlighted here. When I select the line chart, in the same container, line chart is coming. If you select this sheet is appearing in this container. Let's understand how we can implement this. First, we have to create sheet. So I will create based on order date and profit. And I will add put customer name on the colors, add all member. Instead of year, I will show the month. Now this I will give the name of chart. I will duplicate this as cross tab. Now this data is coming as cross tab in chart 2. I will rename it to data. Now we have two sheets. Instead of month, I will convert that into the year. Okay, so in the chart sheet, we are showing the line chart, whereas in the data, we are just showing the data in the textual format. Now we have to provide an option to users where whatever they select, I mean, we have to provide option of chart and data. If they select chart, only chart should appear in the dashboard. If they select data, then only data should appear into the dashboards. So first step, if we have to provide an option, so that option we can achieve by using the parameter. Let's create the parameter. Let's give the name toggle. So one is already created. We will give the toggle one. Give the string, data type would be string, and here we have to provide a list. We will give the option chart and data. So if you see the parameter is created, toggle one, I will show it. Okay, now this option we will provide to our users. If they select chart, only this sheet should show the data and this sheet should be the blank. So we will use this into the calculative field. Let's say toggle one, and whatever we have selected chart. So for this sheet, we have to select the data. To select the data first, then drag this calculation into the filters. And here also we can select the data. So here we can see toggle should be the data, then only it is true. If you change the toggle one to chart, this sheet is blank. If you select the data only, this sheet will be show the data. Because for chart, this this filter condition is false. If it is false, it is not showing any data. Let's do the same thing for chart also. So we will drag the toggle one into the filters and we will select the chart. If we show the toggle, if it is chart, we will remove these legends. If it is chart, this sheet will show the data. When you change to data, it will be blank. And now in the second sheet, data will populate. Now add both sheet into the dashboard. So I will go to dashboard. Here we have to drag the vertical. Let's say first I will drag the blank and then I will drag one vertical. In this container, we have to show multiple sheets. So right now, if we see data is coming into the data, so I will drag this. And here, if we just change the date chart, a parameter is already coming. If we just change the chart, this is blank. Now in the same container, we have to drag the chart sheet. So I will drag this. Before dropping, we have to see this dotted line. And on that dotted line, we have to drop the another sheet. Now we can remove this title. Now if we see data, so data is coming into the same container. How to validate that? Just go to layout, select this. And here you can see we have vertical container. We can give the border, and in that vertical container we have both sheet data as well as chart. So when you select data, so data is highlighted here. When you go select the chart sheet is highlighted here. Now the header also we have to make it dynamic. If we are selecting the charts, then chart should become. If we are selecting the data, then data should become. So what we can do is to achieve that, edit that, instead of showing the sheet name, we can add the filters. So we have selected the toggle one filter, we will add the toggle one. Board, let's say we have to show in the center, apply. So whatever we will select into this parameter, that value will come into the header. Let's change to data. So data is coming. So let's convert to fit width. Now it is looking more appealing. Now chart is coming. In the same way, we can add more sheets. If you have more sheet 5, 6 or more than that, same way you have to first you have to implement at sheet level, so that at a time only one sheet will show the data. Then in the dashboard level, you can start adding the sheets. I hope this is clear. In case any queries, please feel free to comment. Thank you.